Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Xpedia, where we hope for the education which is applicable and practical. So today we are going to learn the most important topic, LCM and HCF, and the subbit related to LCM and HCF, multiples and factors. Okay, so this is part 4 of our series, that is basic and important topics for class 6 to 10 regardless of your syllabus. So today we will learn LCM and HCF. So first let me give you the full form of LCM and HCF. So the full form of LCM is least common multiple. Okay, so you understood, right? Least common multiple. And the full form of HCF is highest common factor. So put this in your brain. So here we have multiples and factors. Yes or no? So to understand this LCM and HCF, we have to know what is meant by multiples and factors. So let's know. That is the reason I said you the small subbit to understand LCM and HCF. So what are multiples and what are factors? So I'll just simply explain you with a table. There is only one step procedure to understand this. So let me take a table. So let it be 3 table. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Okay, 3 fours are 12. I'll not write complete table, so for understanding this is enough. So here if you see 3, 6, 9, 2, 3, 6, 9, 2 are multiples of 3. That means in 3 table we find 3, 6, 9, 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So these are multiples. Okay, so these are multiples. And okay, so if you see this, what you understand is 3, 6, 9, 12 become multiples of 3, and 3 is the factor of all these numbers. Okay, so if we give a division, okay, they give you a division 9 divided by 3. So we can happily divide it. So as we are able to divide it, so we will call the numerator as a multiple, because 3 threes are 9. Okay, I will not write it in short form, and denominator as a factor. Okay, denominator as a factor. Okay, you got my point. So here these numbers, simply put this in brain, these numbers will be the multiples, and which is able to divide them will be the factor. So multiple will be those numbers so multiple is a product of the 9 is a product of 3 threes are 9. Yes or no? So here factor will be that number which will be easily able to divide a given number, and multiple will be that number, what, numerator, which will be the multiple of 3. So here factor is able to divide the multiple. Okay, and multiple will be always larger than greater than the factor. Okay, so 3 is happily able to divide 9. So 3 will be, if a number is able to divide another number, let me say a number A is able to divide a number B. Okay, if a number A is able to divide a number B, then A will be the factor of B. Okay, A will be the factor of B. Okay, and this b will be the multiple of a, and if b is happily getting divided by a, then b will be the multiple of a. Okay, so factor. So if a number is able to divide another number, this number will be the factor of this number. So a is a factor of b because a is able to divide b, and b will be the multiple of a because b is getting divided by a. Here 4 divided by 2. So we will say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is known as simplification method. I explained in the before video. Okay. So 2 is able to divide 4. That means 2 is a factor of 4. We will not say just 2 as factor. We will say 2 is a factor of which number? 4. 2 is not factor of all numbers. So 2 is factor of 4. And what we will say? 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 is a factor of 4 and 4 is a multiple of 2. So this is a way of understanding factors and multiples. Okay. So I hope you understood the meaning of factors and multiples. So now we can happily enter into LCM and HCF. So as I said you, LCM means least common multiple. So here, so here what do we do is, first the question will be, there are only 3 steps. I'm sorry. So there are 3 steps. Step 1. So here I will say you something. So here they will give 2 numbers and they will ask you to find LCM or HCF of those 2 numbers. It can be more than 2 also. Okay. So here step 1 will be doing prime factorization. Okay, this will be the step 1. So after we do prime factorization, step 2 will be, we have to express number as product of its prime factors. Okay, so step 1 will be prime factorization, step 1 and step 2. Step 1 will be prime factorization. I explained you prime factorization in my latest video, that means the video part 3. Okay, so we have to do prime factorization, then after that you have to express the given the number as product of prime factors. After that I'll explain you directly what to do. So it's only the 3-step procedure. After that we'll find LCM. Okay, after we express it, we have to find LCM. It's very simple. Okay, so now we'll go into the plain page. Okay, so here if the number is given 12, if the given number is 12 and 24. Okay, so given number is 12 and 24. So what do we do is, we will do the prime factorization of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. I explained you prime factorization method. If you are not understanding how I am doing this, please watch the video. Okay, it is part 3. Okay, this is part 4. So this is how we do the prime factorization. Now we have to, after prime factorization, I said we have to express it as product of prime numbers. So first we'll do it with 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now next, so it will be equal to 2 square into 3. Okay, 2 square into 3. This is square. Okay, now 24, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so how 2 cube into 3, because we multiplied 2 into 2 into 2, so it's 3 times, I mean 3 2's, right? So here 2 cube, okay, 2 power 3. So now first we will find LCM. So after we are done with this, how do we find LCM is all factors. How many factors we have? I mean all factors means how many kinds? 2 and 3. Rather than this 2 and 3 we have nothing else like 4, 5. So normally we have 2 and 3. We'll put it 2 and 3. And then we will find the which has higher power. Now 2 is in both of them. You have to write all of the factors whatever are there. Okay, so here 2 is in both of them. Which has greater power? 2 power 2, 2 power 3 is greater. We have to compare between 12 and 24. So 2 power 3. So here we will put 2 power 3. Sorry, 2 power 3. Okay, now next here we have 3 power 1, 3 power 1. That means only 1 power is, that means only 1 3. So what do we do? Only 1. We don't have any other options. So now what we will do? 2 1s are 2, 2 2 2, 3 times, right, into 3. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 16, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM of 12 and 24 is 24. Okay, so least common multiple. So what is a common multiple between 12 and 24 they are asking. Okay, that means the number which will be the multiple of 12 as well of 24, and one more condition, that will be the smallest one, least. That means there is no other multiple which is smaller than 24, okay, between 12 and 24. Okay, so that will be 24. So 24 will be the least common multiple. Least, that means the smallest. Okay, I hope you got my point. Next we'll switch into, okay, HCF. Here we have again 14 and 28. Okay, no problem, any number. Okay, now we'll make prime factorization of it. Two 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7, then 28. 2 1s are 2, so I'll give a gap. Okay, you'll get confused. Okay, 28. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s is 7. So now we have to express it as product of primes. So 28 is equal to 2 into 7, that is equal to 2 square into 7. One second, into 7. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Okay, that's it. 2 power 1, 7 power 1, 7 power 1 over here. So now we have to find HCF, right? So what do we do is, now we only take common factors. That means which is present in 28 as well as 14. So 2 is present in 28 as well as 14. Okay, into, then after that 7 is present in 28 as well as 14. Okay, now we will take the smallest power. What is smallest power? 2 square or 2 power 1? 2 power 1. Here 2 power 7 power 1, 7 power 1. Both are same, so I will put 7 power 1. So 7 2s are 2 7s are 14. Okay, so this is how we do. LCM is opposite to HCF. There we will take all factors. If they are common or not common, it doesn't matter. We will take everything. 2, 3, how many kinds we have, that many kinds. All doesn't mean all the numbers. Here all means all the kinds of numbers, okay, 2 3 4 5, if they are common or not, it doesn't matter, and we will take highest power. But in HCF it is opposite. We will take only common number with lowest power. So remember, LCM is opposite to HCF. Now 14 is the highest common factor. What is mean by factor? Factor is a number which will be able to divide a given number. So 14 will be able to divide 14 and 28. And this is the highest common factor. So this will be the highest. The number above this, any number above this cannot divide 28. Highest common factor. Okay. So this is how we do LCM and HCF. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you. So yeah, here we even want to introduce you that we are even going to make videos on class 10 SSC and CBSE only on important and hard topics, okay, where most of the students face difficulty. They are not actually hard topics according to me, but where students face difficulty, we will help you with tricks, tips, guidance and many more things. And if you want any other help from us, we are going to do it for you. If you have any siblings, friends or anyone, you can please share them with this information. So yeah, so that's all about LCM, HCF, factors and multiples. So I hope this video helped you, and my intention behind this video is only to bring out that maths becomes easy if you understand it in the perfect way. So LCM and HCF mark very important in maths, and when you go to higher classes, it marks the same level of importance, sometimes greater, when it comes to solving the problems. Okay, important. So make sure that you learn it, each and every topic which we are explaining in this, in this journey of important topics of class 6 to 10 means they are important topics. They are like continuously repeated. Please mark our words, these are really important. So thank you.